Children, let us go to the zoo.
Wow! So many animals! Look over there! An elephant! I did not even know that elephants are that big.
Yes, Khushi, elephants are indeed very big animals. Look at those animals too. Aren't they amazing?
Yes, Grandma. I wonder, do they all live at same place like this zoo?
No, all these animals have different places to live.
Grandpa, please tell us about the different places where animals live.
Oh, sure, Avnish. Animals live in various habitats. Each habitat provides them with food, shelter, air, and water. Let's start with the forest.
What is habitat, Grandpa?
A habitat is the natural environment where an animal lives and reproduces. Let's explore some animal habitat.
Kids, forests are dense areas filled with variety of plants and animals. In the forest, you can find animals like lions, tigers, deer, elephants, snakes, rabbits, birds, and monkeys.
Grandma, do they all live in one place in the forest?
No, Avnish. Each animal has its own special place to live. For example, lions and tigers live in dens. Birds and monkeys live on trees. And snakes and rabbits live in burrows. Deer and elephants live on land.
That is why we should protect forests.
Let us explore another habitat.
Look, kids, this is a desert habitat. Deserts are sandy and get very little rainfall. Most of the deserts are very hot and dry during the day, and they become cold at night. Animals like camels, rats, and rattlesnakes live here. They have special adaptations to survive the heat and scarcity of water.
Camels are so cool. They must be very strong to live in the desert.
Yes, Avnish.
Let us go to the auditorium. They are showing a documentary on animals living in cold habitats.
Yes, let's go.
Kids, polar regions and mountains are very cold areas covered with snow and ice. Animals like polar bears, penguins, seals, and walruses live here.
I did not know animals could live in such cool places.
They can live here because animals like seals, penguins, and walruses have a layer of fat called blubber, while polar bears have thick fur that helps them stay warm.
Grandma, let us go to the pond. I want to see fish.
Kids, can you name a water body which is bigger than a pond?
Ocean and sea.
Very good, Khushi. The ocean is the largest habitat on earth. It's home to many animals like crabs, starfish, sharks, whales, prawns, sea turtles, seahorses, jellyfish, and octopuses. These animals have adaptations that help them live in the water.
There are so many different animals in the ocean.
Did you know, kids? Ponds, rivers, lakes, and streams are freshwater habitat. Animals like frogs, fish, and ducks live here.
Grandma, how do birds move in water?
Good question, Khushi. Ducks and swans have webbed feet to help them swim, and cranes have long legs to wade through the water.
Let us stay here for a while.
Grandma, it is interesting how animals have different features to help them live in their habitats.
Kushi, all these features are called adaptations.
Grandpa, please tell us more about it.
Different animals have different body covering as their adaptive features.
Sounds interesting. Tell us more.
Some animals have body coverings like fur, feathers, scales, or shells to protect them from the environment.
They protect the animals from weather and predators.
Yes, Kushi, you are right. Animals like bears and rabbits have fur or hair to keep them warm.
Kids, look at the feathers of birds. Birds have feathers that help them fly and stay warm.
This is so great.
Fish and reptiles have scales to protect their bodies and reduce water loss.
Grandma, what about animals like snail?
Some animals like snails, tortoise, and turtles have shells to protect themselves from predators. When they feel threatened, they can withdraw into their shells for protection.
How do animals breathe in different habitats?
Good question, Kushi. Different animals have different ways of breathing. See,
What is breathing?
all animals require oxygen for breathing. When an animal breathes, it inhales oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. This oxygen is used to break down food into simpler substances and releases energy. This energy is utilized in various activities done by the body.
Really, Grandma?
Yes, Kushi. Land animals like cats, dogs, humans, horses, birds, other mammals, and reptiles use their lungs to breathe. The lungs are soft, spongy bags inside the chest. In the lungs, oxygen from the air is absorbed by the blood. This blood carries oxygen to the different parts of our body.
How do fish breathe?
Water animals like fish, tadpoles, and crabs have gills to breathe. They take in oxygen from water. The water which goes into their mouth is not swallowed. It passes out again through a pair of gill slits.
Avnish, how do you think fish use their gills?
As water passes over the gills, the fish takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The oxygen gets absorbed into the blood.
Very good, Avnish.
Animals move in a different manner also.
You are right, Kushi. Animals move in different ways to travel another place in search of food and shelter. And they also move around to protect themselves from their enemies.
Tell me more.
Most animals have 4 limbs, 2 in the front and 2 at the back. Their front limbs are called forelimbs and back limbs are called hind limbs. Some animals like horses have hooves. Hooves help them to move swiftly on grass despite having huge bodies.
Kids, some animals like camels have special adaptations like padded feet to walk on sand. Fish use fins and tails to swim, while birds use wings to fly.
What about tiger?
Tigers walk and run using their strong legs. Kushi, why do you think tigers need strong legs?
To catch their prey and move quickly. The backbone of the tiger is very flexible. It also helps the tiger to run fast. The tiger has long legs that help it take long strides.
Look, kids, frogs use their webbed feet to swim. They have strong hind limbs which help them to jump on land. Turtles use their four paddle-like flippers to swim.
Do other animals also have flippers?
Penguins use flippers to swim very fast. Kids, reptiles like lizards have short limbs and crawl with their flexible bodies.
Grandpa, look how earthworm is moving.
Khushi, earthworms move by contracting their muscles. They use their muscles to push through the soil.
Kids, have you noticed the mosquito movement? Most of the insects have 6 legs. They use their legs to move around. Some of them have wings like mosquitoes, fly with their wings.
This is amazing.
Similarly, grasshoppers and butterflies also fly but have different wing structures.
Yes, birds also use wings to fly.
Good, Avnish. The forelimbs of birds are modified into wings. They use their wings to fly. Some birds cannot fly. Kiwi, ostrich, emu, rhea, etc. are such birds. They have long and powerful legs that allow them to run very fast.
Look at this beautiful bird.
Avnish, it is a migratory bird called Siberian crane.
Why is this bird called migratory bird?
Kids, some animals migrate over large distance in search of food or suitable breeding grounds. Khushi, do you know what migration means?
Grandma, it means movement of animal from one place to another.
Correct. Among various animals, birds are known to migrate the most. The Siberian crane travels long distances to find warmer areas like India. The monarch butterflies fly from Canada to Mexico during the winter season.
Wow, that's so much interesting.
The Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, covering the longest migration distance of any animal. Arctic tern travels a distance of around 19,000 kilometers. Khushi, can you imagine flying that far?
That's amazing. They must be strong.
Even water animals also migrate. For example, eels travel from freshwater rivers to the ocean to breed. Eels live in lakes, ponds, or rivers after living there for about 7 to 12 years. Avnish, why do you think they move from rivers to the ocean?
Maybe the ocean has the right conditions for their eggs.
Correct.
Look how the deer is eating grass.
All animals require food to grow, get energy, and survive. Animals have different feeding habits based on their diet.
Yes, they eat plants.
Correct. Herbivorous animals like cows and deer eat plants. Avnish, what do carnivores eat?
They eat other animals.
Exactly. Carnivorous animals like lions and hawks eat other animals. Khushi, what about omnivores?
They eat both plants and animals.
That's right. Omnivorous animals like bears and humans eat both plants and animals. Avnish, do you know what rodents eat?
They eat seeds and nuts.
Yes, rodents like mice and squirrels gnaw on seeds and nuts. They have sharp teeth to gnaw their food.
Do you know, kids, what food chain is?
Please tell us.
A food chain shows how energy is transferred from one organism to another. Khushi, can you tell me what starts a food chain?
Plants, because they make their own food.
Correct. Plants are producers. Herbivores like rabbits eat the plants. Avnish, what do carnivores eat?
They eat herbivores.
Exactly. Carnivores like foxes eat the herbivores. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria break down dead plants, and animals returning nutrients to the soil. Khushi, why are decomposers important?
They help recycle nutrients back into the soil. I learned so much about animal habitats and adaptations today.
Me too. Animals are so interesting and diverse.
Remember, understanding these concepts helps us appreciate and protect the environment.